just as to highlight the main features for everybody to be on the same page. As we know, the mother legislation is the European Union, which we now know as the GDPR Act, and how a lot of inspiration has been drawn from there. And in terms of the scheme of the Act, we have major inclusions and terminologies, if I can say so, like the data fiduciary, which are basically your companies which are collecting data. In this case, your data principal, which is your consumers, the customers, us in a lot of cases, and then the data processors where the data is stored. And then we, in terms of implications, it has implications both on the online, offline, and with the brush of the extraterritorial jurisdiction as well. And in terms of authorities, what is being created here are grievance officers, your data protection officers, and your data auditors. The last two being majorly for the significant data fiduciaries, which we'll discuss during the discussion on our panel today. There's also the concept of a consent manager, and there's stress on vernacular languages in line with the 8th schedule of the Constitution. And interestingly, there's a concept of the artificial jurist person, which will draw a lot of interest in terms of the avatars that we have in today's day and age and how we'll play around it. Then we'll have the compliance framework, which we'll delve deeper into in terms of the constitution of the Data Protection Board of India. And of course, the penalties that we've already spoken about.